Today we will be doing Cramer's rule. We have an equation and we want to solve x, y, and z using Cramer's rule or Cramer's rule. Alright, so we set it up in our matrix. Okay, x is 1, 2y will be 2, minus z will be minus 1. Okay, and on the right hand side of the equation, which is the answers, we have 4, 3, and 5. So we put equal to 4, 3, 5, x, y, z. So what we're doing here is, first we're finding the determinant of the original matrix. And we could call the original matrix capital D. Alright, so let's block off the column which one in and the row which one in. And we'll get plus 1 will be minus 1 by minus 2 minus 3 by 3. Okay, and then we block off the next row and column, and we'll get minus 2, 2 by minus 2, 3 by 4. And it's all laid out here. So, but the thing about Cramer's is, to get x, we will need to say dx will be, let's just take d and let's replace it with the first column. So 1, 2, 4 become 4, 3, 5, and everything else stay the same. So dx will be the determinant of dx. So we'll block off this column, block off this row. What you'll get is 4, 1 by minus 1 by minus 2 minus 3 by 3. Okay, and we repeat it. And if you're having trouble finding the determinant, you could just check my last video where we went through it in more detail. But this process is basically just finding the determinant. We say 4 times. First you find it for the original matrix, then you replace the first row with common D, and you find the determinant. Then you replace the second row with D, and you find the determinant for that, and the third row, which will be dz. Alright, and once you find all these 3 determinants, you basically say dx over d. So determinant for d was 15, and dx, the determinant was 0. So 0 on 15, which would be 0. And the same thing for dy, to be 45. So 45 on 15 is 3. And dz, which was 30 on 15, which would be 2. So therefore, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 2. Cramer's rule pretty straightforward. As long as you remember, you just find the determinant 4 times. Just a recap, and you replacing each one of the columns for the answers each time, and then you just dividing the determinant of each one of the matrix by the original determinant, and that should give you your x, y, and z values. Cramer's pretty pretty easy. So I hope this video helped a lot of you all. Hope you found something useful, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.